I don't see anything wrong with a girl not getting married on time. That a girl doesn't get married on time doesn't mean that she's not well trained. And same thing applies to a girl that got married on time. Doesn't mean she's well behaved. You know, a lot of factors facilitate marriage, and home training is just an integral part of it.
That is exactly my point. But my own mother wouldn't listen to me.
For me here, the only thing that matters is that both of you are in love with each other.
This is why you always be my friend.
You can say that again, bro. Well, for me, that's what's up, bro. I'm telling you, that's what's up.
Nena.
Hey, Only baby.
How fun?
How far now?
Fine, no. And you?
My sister. Girl, save me now. I'm just here. Save me now.
You're looking good though.
How you say I'm looking good like this? Ha. Please.
Nena, I'm telling you, you are not looking bad at all. You are looking good.
Are you sure?
Yes. You're looking good.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Wait now, calm down. Wait first. I heard that your bestie, what's her name? That your best friend. What's her name again?
Chizara.
Chizara. That's her name. I heard she's getting married soon, and I had her husband to be has come for her introduction. Is it true?
That is how I see it though. Can I go now?
No, it's I'm happy for her. I'm happy for her. So now, only you be in this village. You be in this village alone. You just be going up and down without bestie. Yeah, that's your bestie is getting married though. Your bestie is getting married. Your bestie will now go. You will just be walking up and down, no bestie again.
Nena, is that a mockery or what?
No, I was just talking. What do I know? What now? Sorry.
Can you imagine? Ha! Tell me then, when are you people doing your traditional marriage and church marriage? Because I can't wait to wear my shabby clothes and my chief bridesmaid's gown. I know I am going to look very beautiful that day. Zara, what is the problem?
Oluchi, please, I am not in the mood for this play. Biko, yes.
You don't want to play with me today, What?
Oluchi, see, please. I have something else bothering me. I don't have time for all this idle gossips. Yes.
I'm only talking about your traditional marriage. What is this idle gossip?
Please, don't push me.
Huh?
Hello? Oh, baby, I'm not fine. Yes. I was worried. I've been calling you since morning. You weren't picking your calls. What happened? I hope there is no problem. Eh. Okay, no problem. I am fine now. Yes, I am. Ah. Okay. I love you too. Thank you. Okay, baby. I love you too. Kisses. Bye. I will talk to you later, okay? Oh. Ollie, we are free to talk now. So, what are you talking about?
So in your eyes now, I look like village gossip, abi?
Village
Eh,
gossip.
kwa?
Village gossip. No, now I didn't say so. You are my friend. Ollie, you are my bestie. You are my best friend. Eh? Your bestie is your gossip mate. Oh, Boria. Stop it now. Stop all this. Hmm? Stop. You see, if I have any problem now, I can be free to discuss it with you because you're my close friend. I cannot go there and look for someone to talk to. So now I want to hear what you're about to say. So what is it? You see, I was not happy then, but I'm fine now. I am fine because my husband just called. Please stop now. You are still angry with me. Please stop now. What is it now? Tell me, I know you have a gist for me. Tell me, what is it? I left something on fire. Let me go and check it.
Going to feed me with lies about your family. Let me see how you not change his mind about you. Let me even try the number. That is his voice. Yes.
This number again? This number is calling me again. Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay. What do you want to tell me? Zara. Okay, go on. This is my WhatsApp number. Add me on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll be waiting. Good night.
Bro, are you sure this is Zara's sister?
I'm very sure. I'm sure now. Eh? I saw this girl the day I went to see her people. This is the girl Zara introduced to me as her elder sister.
And wow,
I told you something is wrong. My mother was right after all.
who sent you these pictures?
Best friend Obichi. Someone's bestie.
She was supposed to be a friend and not an enemy.
How do you mean?
See, man, girls are jealous gender. If the girl in question is Zara's bestie, why would she send terrible pictures about Zara's sister to you? I think she has terrible intention to ruin your marriage.
So, tell me, what's your point exactly?
Good. It is obvious that she's jealous of Zara getting married before her. So she wants to ruin her marriage. If not, why would she be doing all this rubbish? If Zara's sister is a stripper, what has that got to do with Zara? Or did she tell you that Zara is a stripper too?
No.
So what are we talking about here? Besides, you are getting married to Zara and not her sister. Come on.
You got a point here. A very big one as that.
Bro, I'll tell you, just drop this. Forget about it. Just pretend that you didn't hear anything. Okay? And go ahead with the marriage. That's what's up.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. Marriage.
Baby,
Yeah, babe.
what are you doing here? I mean, we spoke moments ago. You never told me you were coming to my office.
I know. I wanted it to be a surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah, it's lunchtime, so I'm here to take you for lunch. And right from today onwards, I'm going to be your driver. I'll be the one taking you for lunch and bringing you back. So call me your driver.
You're joking, right?
I'm not, I'm serious.
Oh my goodness, God. Okay, fine. I have some work, but I'm just going to pack it up and then we move.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Okay, 1 minute.
Babe,
Abel,
I am tired of staying alone in that big house. Yeah, I am thinking maybe we should go meet your people, see your mom. Once she approves our union, then you can come over to the house. From there, we'll plan our wedding.
that was so easy for you to say.
You know, I think you need to see my mom and my uncle. You need to make a proper introduction before you can talk about me moving in with you.
You're right. I need to see your people too.
Yeah.
Where do you start from?
Your mom.
Okay. Or do I call her to book
What are
a
you?
dinner with
Wait.
her?
Stop it. Why are you always on a speeding? Please. We are eating after the food.
Babe, there is
You
no
are
time.
eating and you're not even supposed to be talking.
I know, but there's no time to
Can
waste
you
time.
please?
It's okay.
Thank you.
On way here.
Good afternoon, ma.
Let's sit. Mom, good afternoon. Sit down. Mom. Mom, this is Lizzie.
Elizabeth.
Yeah, Elizabeth, but I love to call her Lizzie. The woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. Lizzie, this is my mom.
Nice meeting you, ma.
Yeah.
Come with me. Come with me.
Okay.
How long have you two been together?
Too long enough to know that she has everything I need in a woman.
How well do you know her?
I can say, 80%.
Mike, you know you have not been in this country for many years. You barely come back. Don't you think it's too early to jump into marriage? Look at the girl you brought home. She is beautiful. If she is as good as you claimed, she should have been in her husband's house by now. You said she's doing a good business. She's very beautiful. But why is she still single?
Okay, Mom. First of all, I like beautiful things. She's my spec. Yes. And secondly, she said I'm the only man her heart has accepted.
Huh?
Yes. And she said I'm the only person, the only man she has fallen in love with. I love her so much. And that is what matters.
Okay, Nna. If you say so, I'm only trying to help so that you will not dabble into the mess which other men outside there rejected, to avoid regrets in future.
Mom, it's okay. You're not going to regret anything in future. Yes, I promise you that.
Mike, are you sure?
I am very sure.
Very sure. We are good.
God will help us.
Amen.
Oh, man.
Amen. She's waiting. Okay. So.
God help me. God, please help me, son. Hi.
Okay.
My daughter, you're welcome. Thank you, ma. Make yourself comfortable. I have heard everything I need to hear. And I accept you with my heart. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you.
No!
I promise I am not going to disappoint you.
No problem.
It's okay. Come
Sit
on.
down.
Come on, sit.
Are you crying? No. Wipe away your tears, please. Wipe your tears, please. Oh, please. Don't cry. Sit down.
She's like that. She's very emotional. Go be at the Sally now.
No, let's go. It's okay. Wipe away your tears. Number 1 assignment. Okay. You will go in there, go to the kitchen, prepare us our favorite meal. Watch. Offensala and the pounded yam.
Yeah. Mangala.
Everything you need is inside there.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Thank you.
Hey, mama. My dear.
You see, I told you.
You have eyes like your father.
I told you, Mama, you see.
Oh, where?
You see, black again.
Michael.
You see? I told you.
She can cook.
Of course, more than this.
My baby. Thumbs up. Thank you, ma. The food is as good as she looks.
Thank you, Mama. I am really flattered.
One case CBN mark.
Nchikase. Huh? Huh? You've not seen anything yet.
Okay.
Wait till you eat her moi.
Huh?
Every day you'll be screaming.
Mine.
My dear, you needed to have been there. You needed to have seen the way she was looking at me. At that point, I felt like the ground should just open and swallow me up. I mean, you needed to have seen the way this woman was looking at me. Like some ancient, bloated stripper. No, it wasn't even funny at all. It's as if she seen my picture or she had an idea that I was a stripper or something.
Oh my goodness. I can relate. Just take it easy. I can relate.
I can. But not until she came out. And he told me, you know what, my daughter, come. I have accepted you with all my heart. Oh, thank God. It all ended in praise. Babes, at that point, I just had to go emotional and all that. I couldn't even hold myself.
Oh, thank God. So what's up? I haven't seen this guy. What's up now? Why you dey hide the guy now? Why you dey hide him? Why see him now?
Wait a minute. You guys have not met? No. My bad. Okay, you know what? Once we come back from the village, I will make sure you guys meet.
Wait, hold up right there. You're taking him to see your mom?
Are you still asking me? Hello?
Hey!
Please.
Gege! Gege!
Your girl is a
So happy! Girl!
Okay.
No, marriage, oh.
Excuse me.
I beg you, what do you have? How much
Marriage your mate. Am I your mate?
Yeah, you know what, give me.
Where are you? Where is Yoga?
He's not around, but I'm sure he's close.
He knows I'll be traveling today. I need to collect my clothes because I have an important place to go to. So go and sort my clothes and bring it.
So I exercise a little patience.
I don't have that patience to exercise. I have somewhere to go to.
But I can't sort your clothes.
Wait. Are you saying that my clothes is not ready?
I did not say so, sir.
Then if it is ready, then go and bring it out because there should be a tag on it.
Sir, it's against our work ethic. It's my boss that is supposed to sort it out for you because he's the one that received it from me.
What kind of rubbish is this now? Eh? What is this?
My clothes, ma. Good morning, ma. Be fast about it, okay? And there is no... Get me a cellophane bag.
No. I can't take this. I can't take this. Eh? Come here. Come here. How come you sort her clothes and you couldn't sort my own out?
Sorry, sir.
What is sorry?
Mike.
Ify.
What are you doing here?
Ify, how are you? Sorry, your clothes.
No.
A long time.
Yeah.
Is this you?
Of course, it's me.
Wow. I'm sure you gave these people bribe. Hey.
No.
How could you do this?
Do you know that I dreamt about you last night and I never knew I was going to meet you here? See how God works.
Me, I've searched for you. I've searched everywhere for you. On the Facebook, on the internet, on the Twitter, everywhere I've searched for you. I couldn't just find you.
Wait, hold
No
up.
avail.
How can you tell me that you searched everywhere? I mean, do you even know my name on Instagram?
Of course. If Nanya Mbori.
How do you even think in this world that I will use such name as my handle?
They are your real name. You should be using them.
Okay, do you think I've not searched for you? I searched for you. Why are you not using Michael Konkwa? Yes, now, why are you not
I
using
have a
it?
business and I have a company, so I'm using my company name instead of my real name. And that is at Miko Venture.
Please don't shake this table. We're both in the same table. Okay?
It's okay. So, how have you been?
I have been fine. I've been fine.
Are you not yet married?
I'm not married. Are you?
Not actually.
Yay!
No. Not too fast. Not too fast, okay? Because I'm almost married. Mm-hmm.
Wow. Really?
Yeah.
Tell me about it.
You know, I'll be going to my wife's village very soon to see her people. Yes,
okay.
I'll be going to their village to see her people very soon. And I mean, you know, we've actually met with my mother, and my mother approved our union. So we're getting married very soon.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, congratulations. But you told me you've been abroad. I mean, did you guys meet over there or here?
No, not really. We met here in Nigeria. I actually met her in her office. You know, she's running one big interior decoration firm. Yes. I met her in her office. And she'll be the one to handle my new house. Anything, do you know her?
No, stop it. No, I don't. What's her name?
Her name is Lizzie.
Lizzie?
Yeah.
I've never come across that name before.
For real?
Whoa! I mean that's really nice, you know.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Oh.
So my Oga is back.
Okay, I'm coming. Yeah. Okay,
I'll just wait for you here.
Okay,
Then you
let
go.
me get something.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you on the AC? So that...
Iffy. Okay.
you know, the girl is living the soft life. You know?
I think here will be fine.
Yes, it's fine.
Iffy.
Yeah.
You know, know what? I might not be able to take you home, okay? Because I'm rushing to somewhere.
It's okay, we're close to my house already. I mean, you've tried. I appreciate.
Okay, Ify, why is it that your countenance changed when I made mention of my wife? Yeah, your mood, your attitude, everything changed. Don't lie to me. Just tell me the truth. Do you know her?
No! How would you say that? If I knew her, I would have told you right away. But I don't know her. I've never met her before. I've never met her in my life. You know, my countenance changed because I thought you'd still be single and searching. You know, after so many years and meeting you again, you know, I thought we were going to, but it is what it is, so it's fine.
It is okay. I understand. Maybe we are not destined to be together.
Exactly. So
It's okay. I will give you a call. Now I have your number.
Okay.
Okay? I have your contact. I will give you a call.
All right. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye. It was really nice meeting you.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
The same man be Lizzie's husband. Like, I want to get this straight. Michael Okonkwo is the man Lizzie wants to get married to? Of all men? Am I dreaming or something? What? No. No!
So, Ma, I have actually found love in your daughter. So I said, let me come and make it last long and forever. So I've decided to come and see you and her people to actually introduce myself formally and make my intention known.
Omaka, you're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Noreen. Please, permit me to see her privately.
Okay.
Okay. Eliza. Yeah? Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
How well does that man out there know you? I'm trying to understand. Elizabeth, you know what I am talking about. Mama, sincerely, I do not know what you're talking about. No, I don't. Were you in your immature mind thinking that I would never get married in this life or what? Elizabeth, I just asked you a simple question. And all you need to do is just to give me an answer, not to run your mouth. Mama, please, I am already bent. Mama, even when I'm already angry. I am begging you, Mama, don't make me angry than this, Amanda. Please. Elizabeth, listen and listen well. I am your mother. And there's no mother who will not be happy seeing her daughter getting married. Elizabeth, when a man loves you and he's really ready to get married to you, you should let him know everything about you. It is better for him to hear everything about you from yourself than hearing it from an outsider. That is why I'm asking you all this. Have you told him everything about yourself? Mama, please. If you do not mind, I left my fiancé out here. Can I go back to your That is why I am asking you all this. Mama, you need to remove this okay African mentality from your head. Then you can go forward. Can I go now? I'm so cool as your mother.
Baby, I hope you didn't miss me.
I'm here. Still here.
My son, once again, you're welcome. Oh?
Thank you, man.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you, man.
We have to go and call some of our uncles that are around. As you know, our tradition does not allow a woman to accept drink for marriage. So I have to go and call them so that the ones that are around will come and accept it from you.
There's no problem, man. I'm not just in a haste. Yeah.
It's one more. You're welcome. Oh?
Okay.
Were you supposed to be in a haste?
Not just in a haste.
Oh, you know, there's the one I don't know in a haste. What
Nena.
Good, I met you now. Hey, this is why you're just glowing like.
You can say that again. Papa, so where are you going?
Thank God I met you here, Seth.
Okay. What is it? I hope there is no problem this time.
No problem.
Okay.
At all. Problem. But it's just that I had something. And you know now, I said I should come and confirm it from you. Maybe it's true.
What did you hear?
Hey, I heard that Eliza, your bestie's elder sister now, Eliza now.
I know her.
I heard she's getting married though. She even brought the man to our village, Seth. She brought the man to the village here.
It's a lie.
I said,
it's a lie.
I said, no. Meta stop being the dancing storm also. A very authentic source. A very reliable source. Confirm.
It's a lie. I can't believe what you just said to me now. That is not true. Can't believe it. No. Is it true that your sister Elizabeth is getting married too?
Hey, yes, so God has finally remembered our family. I am serious. If you see the handsome man Sister Lizzie brought home today, if you okay, hey, as na okay, follow. If you gonna give him, I am so happy. I am so happy for her.
But wait, what about your own husband? Is he still calling you on phone?
Could that be here? So you don't want him to come?
I didn't mean it that way now.
Then what do you mean?
See, it's just that for so long now, you have not made mention of him. So I thought maybe he's not calling you. Yes.
Yeah, boo. See, let me tell you, my husband calls me like 247. You know what I mean? He calls me like, just that since Sister Liz is getting married soon, I will tell him to hold on until Sister Lizzie and her husband are through with theirs. Then we can continue anything.
That is a nice idea.
Yes. If my sister get married before me, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy, my sister.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
You know now.
Are you saying it? Me, I'm very well prepared for that, Shebi.
I trust.
I know my Shebi clothes will suit me very.
See, I am not giving you that Shebi for free. You will buy it. Yes.
Look at this girl. Am I not your bestie?
Bestie, you will buy it because you need money for something.
Has it gotten to that?
I will come for your own too.
Of course you will come now, but you will still give me that Shebi for free because I'm your best friend.
Until then, only try and back why no? You understand?
You don't trust me. You don't know what I can do.
Now.
I thought you said you wanted to meet me with your bestie.
Yes, I was supposed to.
Why is she not here?
I don't know. I don't know why she's not here. I'm trying to reach her on the phone. She's not even picking my calls.
Where is she then?
I don't know. Switched off. How? I don't understand what's going on. I just hope is she okay?
Maybe she's not with her phone at the moment.
What do you mean by maybe she's not with her phone at the moment? We had an arrangement for this meeting. She's supposed to be, she's ought to be here by now.
You should stop bothering yourself about that. I believe she's not in any kind of danger. She will be fine wherever she is.
I just hope she's not in any kind of danger. Just hope. Still saying the same thing. This is unlike her.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for you.
Waiting for me? Why?
I have a message for you.
Message from me? But we'll be in school all day long.
I didn't want to give you the message in school.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know how you react to it.
React to it. Why?
Ask me why. See, I don't know what your reaction will be, and I don't even want the classmates to laugh at us. That's why I don't know.
Mike, you're so funny. Ah, so what is the message all about? Mike, love letter? Oh, don't tell me this is a love letter.
Thank you.
Mike!
God! Hi! Hi! My God, amazing! I really love you at this. Really amazing.
Hi, Mike.
Did you read it?
Yes, I did.
So what's your reply?
This is my reply.
Later. Thank you. God help me, God.
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
So, my dear, I think the best option is for me to go in my mother's office. What are you talking about? You want to tell him that you were once a notorious stripper? Yeah, but that's the best. Stop it! Stop! Which kind of stuff is this?
Eh? You won't use your own hands to spoil your relationship. Why you go to another kind of thing now? Why?
How? He wouldn't it be more drastic when he gets to find out from someone else?
Babe, I'm not really like this kind of talk when they talk. This guy is a new fish. He doesn't know anywhere in this town. He doesn't know anybody. Who will tell him? Who will tell him?
This is a small world, though. Person wey no meet you if you just open mouth. Wow.
You want you want to go carry stick and say, I was once a stripper. Oh, guy, now why you talk like this? This is a relationship. You don't say we don't look for serious relationship. You don't say now. Now marriage thing, oh. You need to guide it with everything you've got. Girl, women they get relationship, take enter marriage. Let this be a secret you hold till death. You get what I mean? You understand me now? You get me?
Oh goodness God! You see, that is why I talk about. This is why I talk about you. I mean, what are besties for?
What up?
When he comes to advise you too much.
You know I love you.
Thank you, Jare.
Okay.
You see, I don't integrated things, but just
calm down. Not tell him. Calm down.
Small sharp. Hey, that reminds me. We have an event this evening. Okay. Wouldn't it be a better idea for me to bring my man so you get to meet him?
This evening?
Yes.
I would have loved to see him. But just like this evening, I have to go for a family meeting. My elder sister called me and told me that we have to discuss something. That if I'm not there, something will spoil. So I have to be there.
But you can postpone it till tomorrow now.
I suppose don't dey there now. Now because I say you they come and I need to settle one or two things before I travel for saloon. You know now.
I don't tire for you. I bet when you come back.
No worry, we'll go see him on a different day.
Wahala no ever finish.
Yeah, see this hair. I want me to buy this hair. You go fit you.
All the hairs I don't buy from you. Don't.
I won't change your life.